Welcome back to the second feature match here at the Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League Tournament 2025, coming to you live out of Whānui Rugby grounds. And the second feature match we have here is Ngāti Ruanui versus Ngāti Maru. This is going to be a cracker of a game. And our commentary here is myself, Levi, Lightning McPhee, and Terry, the Terror, Tamati. Woo! You got the wrong one. Oh, sorry. Terry's not here. He's on the other side.
It's Howie the horrible.
Howie is here with the commentary here to feature in our second match of the morning between these two Titanic teams. Howie, how do you see this game panning out?
Well, I don't know, because I think there's a whole lot of different guys that have come in, which is a great thing for Taranaki to have guys that played for Taranaki a while ago, in Taranaki as well, to come home and be part of this amazing iwi competition, that we have every year. It's going to be quite a difficult game for you to call today, actually, because of black jerseys everywhere, but I'm sure you'll do a great job.
That's going to be cool. Luckily, I have you by my side there, Howie, to help us manage this game through for our audience here. And what a great audience we have here, and they're still piling in the numbers onto the ground. So buckle up, grab your cup of teas, chuck on an extra blanket because it's a little bit chilly out here as we start off our second feature match. And that's a penalty as it didn't quite make the 10-metre mark. Ngāti Maru have got the penalty on halfway. And that is, and they just get the ball out there, just outside the 20-metre mark of the Ngāti Ruanui team. Settling in a tackle one. And that's a great shot there from the Ngāti Maru side. Oh, and he's left it behind, and that's a knock-on. That's a costly mistake there, Howie, especially in the early stages.
Yeah, that's right. That's the scrum there. They've just got to get used to the climate, It's really windy, probably blown the ball away. I think he just went to bend over and just try to grab the ball too fast, and it dropped out of his hand. So knock on there.
Yep, and that's a costly mistake. He definitely left it behind.
Give him an opportunity to get down the other side of the field, down the field. Good run there.
Ngāti Maru working it out of there, 20-metre mark there, and they're settling it on tackle one. They've hit up from the Maru forward there on the 30. Apologies, we've got black and black, so very, very hard to find out who's which, but we've now confirmed that it's Ngāti Ruanui. Ngāti Ruanui on attack there, out towards the 50-metre mark, and they're shut down on tackle three. Ngāti Ruanui sprinted out wide.
Good tackle there. Dropped them like a stone. Yeah, they're moving the ball pretty well. They're kicking the ball to get some. Yeah, that one's pretty hard.
That's right. That northerly is going to be a very, very big factor in the game. And we looks like there's a little bit of a back chat there, Howie. Yeah. It's not going to help the Ngāti Ruanui side there.
That's right. Here we go, line up, big man coming forward.
And that's
back on the 10-metre line is, yeah, that's a better line now. Oh, penalty.
And this is cost
tough stuff going on.
That is how that's a reprieve for the Ngāti Maru side as they start to work it out at their own half.
Yeah.
And that northerly is going to be a very, very big factor in the game.
Well, look at that. That's a great kick, really. You know, inside the 20-metre line from their side of the football field, right down into on the 20-metre line now. Here they go. Big boy going in.
Ngāti Maru have settling it up for the tackle one just outside the 10-metre of Ngāti Ruanui. And that's a great shot.
Yep, good hit. Put them down. Big boy running.
Tackle two. Tackle two, and they stop him just short of the line. Ngāti Maru are hot on the goal line.
Sure.
A little stutter there. And he's just dropped short there. Tackle three. Oh, you can see that ball just...
Yeah, just nearly blew away from him, eh?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty difficult to hold on. This wind been in a little chip kick. And there looks like a little bit of a knock on from Ngāti Ruanui, apologies. And they look like that they are going to be taking the scrum. No, they're going to be doing the scrum. It's a dropout.
Really?
Yep. Looks like he must. It looks like he just got there, put the pressure on before he dribbled it. But look, as you see there, yep. And it didn't quite make the 10. So we're going to have a play the ball just on the 10-metre mark. Ngāti Maru hot on the try line, just outside the 10, with a fresh set of tackles.
Well, they should set up their the big boys to hammer their line and try and pull the people that are the players on the other side that are to come into where around to play the ball and maybe give us a bit of space out there. That's what I'm going to do. Easy to say.
Hey, that's exactly right. And we've got it settled in here. First tackle inside the 10-metre. Ngāti Maru, that's a great drive, leg drive there. Tackle two, short to the line. Oh, and he just bowls over as Ngāti Maru have opened up the game with a try underneath the sticks. Great work. We're waiting for confirmation of that try scorer.
You got to be careful. You know, when they get it, you've got to be careful at the dummy half running. Yeah. Yeah. So that was a good try, though. I'm sure the other team will come back. At the moment, the Ngāti Maru side have got to make that win a friend of them, you know, because they're going to have to play into it. And he'll become the air will be, you know, on the other side. So the more tries they can score, the better.
That's exactly right there, Howie. I do believe it's around about maybe a 10 to 12 point wind.
There's a good breeze coming down.
Confirmation of the try scorer, number 22.
Yeah, and the kick was straight down the middle, mate.
And that pushes out the score 6 points to 0. Ngāti Maru, what a great start. What a great start we have.
It'll be great to see these teams coming out every weekend for over the winter, you know. Not just playing a tournament, but it's great that they're playing a tournament, and it's great that they're playing for their iwi or their hapu. So, you know, it brings us all together.
Ngāti Ruanui do a kickoff, and that looks like there's a knock on, and that's going to give the ball back to Ngāti Maru. Oh, no, the ref has decided that it's going to go back to Ngāti Ruanui. just short, well, actually just on the 40-metre mark there. Great position to tie the ball game back up.
Scrums are not like the ones that I used to play in. You have to work with your props to get the ball. Now they're just thrown in the second row, you know. I suppose it gets on with the game, eh?
It does, Howie. And that's tackle one, short of the 30-metre mark. As Ngāti Ruanui look to put some points on the board to square it up. And that's a straight through the line. And that's beautiful play. Number 4. That's a crack of a setup there.
To get his name.
And that's Kiani Broughton out wide. Abs.
They moved that ball really well. You know, like they did everything right in that try. People coming onto the ball, setting up the structure. That was well done.
And that came off the brilliant setup from Brent Astonlanders. He set up a very, very good dummy, which fooled the Ngāti Maru team, and they took it, and he sold it. It was outstanding. What a great response.
Worked their way down the field, especially it was against the wind as well. You know, they should be happy with that.
Landers looking to convert the 2 points to tie the game up. Another tight battle here, Whānau, on field 2.
So they missed the goal. Just want to put a key message out, you know, like in terms of who our major sponsors are. Tui Foundation, fantastic organisation, and they're always really supportive of our yearly games. So Paranini Hiki Waitotara, PKW in other words. Another great supporter. One Foundation, Te Kāhui o Taranaki, Te Runanga o Ngāti Ruanui, Te Runanga o Ngāti Mutanga, Te Kāhui Maru. Yeah, that's those teams, yeah.
Thanks for that, Howie. It's a big special moment. And again, a big thank you to all our major sponsors and everyone behind the scenes. There's Ngāti Maru, Restart. Oh, and that's a great first hit up.
Run, eh? You get hit up, but they tackled him well.
Oh, looks like his arm dropped. He spilled his lollies. Just as we were giving him praise, yeah. He just gave away that, and that's going to be hot property for Ngāti Maru, who are now in the 30-metre, 20-metre mark of the Ngāti Ruanui side there.
Yeah. While they're waiting for someone on the ground, and I would just say the associated sponsors and supporters, the Greymouth Petroleum, Te Koremaka o Taranaki, awesome. Jackson Cassidy from Toroa Media, Tūtere Rangi Hayata, and the team from Waha. Plenty of Wahas out there today. Glasgow Scaffolding, pretty good. I'm standing up here in the sky. Leading Traffic, Reboot Physio, Te Punanga Ora. Frontline Ambulance Services, that's good. Looking after the players if they do get injury, or maybe punch up in the grandstand, maybe.
Hopefully not there, Howie. This is a family event here. Maybe us pulling the hammy trying to get up to the commentary stand for us, eh?
Yeah, I was a bit worried coming up here.
Hope you're not afraid of heights.
Ambulance Services, Taranaki Referees Association, Manawatu Referees Association, Taranaki Rugby League, New Zealand Māori Rugby League, Daily News, Radio Wātea, About Image. Yeah.
Awesome, Howie.
Ooh.
And as Ngāti Maru looked to settle it in the first tackle, just inside the 30.
Big boy running, taking the ball up. A really good run there.
It was a great run.
Now they should be setting up.
Ngāti Maru looked to shape the hands, and they're just settling it up. Oh, he couldn't help himself. There's an offload. Oh, but it did go backwards, but the ref seen it otherwise. And that is costing... yeah, it is a scrum for Ngāti Ruanui. Yep, and we do very much appreciate our sponsors here today. What a great turnout, Howie. Look at all the kids out there. They're kicking the ball around. They're running around. Bouncy castle. How good.
Yeah, no, it's very good. It's well set up. Oh, you know, to have...
Sorry, Howie. I'm just going to have to drop you there. That looks like, oh, there's a little breakdown on the short side there. Ngāti Ruanui getting some great meters just on the 40-meter mark. Oh, and that's a great settle there.
Good tackle there. Good run.
And tackle 2 here. And that is great defense again there, Howie.
Yeah. And that's it, you see. They've got the wind in their faces, you know, and then they've got to try and march down the field.
There's tackle 3, and going down the short side. Inside ball there with man hot. Oh, and he was met with heavy defence. I would hate to be a part of that sandwich. Oh, again, there's play down the short side, looking for a penalty, and he does. That's great work. Wasn't square of the marker, and Ngāti Ruanui will. Oh, actually, no. It's a turnover. Not too sure what happened there. Whānau. Oh, and that's a shoulder. And yeah, and we did see that a little bit earlier with a very similar shot. Got to wrap our hands around those players, Howie.
Yeah, oh, well, they're big boys, you know. And rugby league is not a soft game. So you could expect a couple of hard hits, if you like, you know, but nothing dirty.
Yeah, and you weren't short of dishing out some of those hard hits back in your days there, Howie?
No, my cousin Kevin.
No need to start handing off there. You had the arms around. As
Kevin was a fighter, and I was a nice person.
As Ngāti Maru look to settle the ball in from the tap. As the rain starts to come down here and at Rahutu. And that's tackle 2. The shambles in the play the ball area. We got there. Oh, short play there. Oh, look at that. And he's giving him a bit of a serve and taking the shirt off there.
Still got it. He's looking for trouble, actually.
Ngāti Maru keeping it tight, playing it up the middle. Tackle 4 on the 20-meter mark.
Good spread there if they can get it out. He only had to do one pass. You know. And
it's a turnover. It's a costly turnover.
Yes,
they should have kept it a little bit tight there just so that they can apply some pressure on the Ngāti Ruanui 20 there, but they hand the ball over.
The key thing really from this perspective, the need to have a dummy half that gets here all the time. You know, he just trails the ball, and they actually you can run the game from the play the ball.
Exactly, Howie, and there we just had a penalty to Ngāti Ruanui. A little bit of work in the play the ball area, and that's just going to hand them an opportunity to get some game time down in the Maru territory as we settle in and tackle 1. As they look to, that's a great step off the left foot there for the number 5.
Good dummy half run there.
They're certainly looking a little bit sharper now.
They do.
Show and go there. The number 13.
Number 18 now on the side. Oh, number 8.
Oh, look, and then they give it Ed. What do they do here? I do believe that we're starting to count down to the first half. Do they take the 2 to tie the ball up, or do they continue on and putting the pressure on? What do you think, Howie?
I'll take the 2, mate. Easy.
They're setting up to looking like they're doing the tap. Could that be costly? Oh, they go down the short side. Oh, and they did. And they rolled the dice. They get the points. Confirmation of the try scorer. And we have got a ball game today.
Oh. They made that look easy, didn't they? So, but anyway, it sort of brings the score. What's the score now? I think, you know, the score. Two, try each, isn't it? 8-6, Ngāti Ruanui. And then here's the kick. Ruanui, yeah. There's the 1T. Awesome. Right, so there's a kicker. Number 8. Oh, Kershaw. Maiha Kershaw, yeah.
Maiha Kershaw, the try scorer, with a nice show and go, and he just pinned the ears back, Howie, and he slid into that corner.
You got to bar up when they're on your line coming at you, so you know everybody's got to be working together, talking. And probably that's what's needed in both sides actually to actually talking in the game. We're at this level, we've probably got a whole lot of guys that are used to playing the game, but not actually talking around to their mates and saying that do this and do that. You've got to have a really good captain in regards to helping the boys out.
Just confirmation of the score. No, Ngāti Ruanui 8,
big run.
Ngāti Maru 6, and that's a great run from the number 8, and that's Jared. What a great run!
Oh, this is another good run, right? Number 7. Oh, offloaded the ball on the tackle.
And they look like they're here to play some footy,
yeah,
especially with the wet and the wind in their faces too, Howie.
Yeah.
This could be a very, very good second half.
You know, there's a lot of hard work going on in there.
It is, and they're
running really hard.
Yeah, and that's right. And they're softening up that middle there, and they're causing a lot of problems.
And tackle on the sideline there, but they're right.
Yeah, we tackle 5 here with a lot of pressure, with a great kick coming out to the left-hand side there. And looks like there's a...
I don't know which one was first.
Yeah, there was a few there, Howie, and it looks like we're going to have a scrum to Ngāti Maru. Just outside the 10. Yeah, goal line. But a very, very good half of footy. Some excellent hands and
it's going well,
and some big defence too.
Absolutely.
We've seen some pretty big shots, and definitely don't want to be a part of that. There, great to be standing here next to you and doing the commentary.
Oh, thank you very much. I much appreciate it. I don't know how I snuck in here like this. I just climbed up the stairs to see what was going on. The next minute, hey,
Ngāti Maru are working it outside their half on their 20-metre mark as we are doing the countdown to the first half. And look at that. We have a little...
Again, I think it was the wind, you know, it's conditions are quite difficult to play in, to be honest with you. And they reached out to pick the ball up from the play the ball, and they knocked it on. So again, they put themselves under pressure. Ngāti Maru. Yeah.
And Ngāti Ruanui are going to take the scrum, and that's a little show and go there from the number 7. He's a great little dart there from the scrum, and we'll tackle 1. Ngāti Ruanui are very, very hot on the trial on Ngāti Maru. Tackle 2.
He's a big boy running.
And there's Jared again as he takes it to the line, meters from the sideline there. And they shift it out wide.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, what a try-saving tackle out wide for Ngāti Maru. And he also takes it in. And that's half-time.
Woo. Really?
I'm just going to take my summit.
Okay. So we're off. How do I get this? With the foot? Careful where you go, bud. Oh. Here. Up here.
Welcome back, Whānau, to the second half of the second feature match here. Ngāti Maru versus Ngāti Ruanui. And this is starting to turn out to be a bit of a wet game. The wind is very, very heavy. And Ngāti Ruanui have now got the wind behind them. So this could very well be a little bit of a blowout if they can play the ball right. We just get some confirmation between the two captains of possibility of a tap ball instead of the kick.
You know, a while ago when we first started, it was quite a physical game more than a game I used to think, you know. But then I went around and I just talked around the different teams, the coaches and the boys, you know, to say, well, you don't know it, but a lot of you guys are playing cousins. They're your family. So this is a real family affair in regards to one. It's a Māori tournament that has representation from all the tribes, but more especially, many of them are related around the mountain or playing rugby league. So sometimes you think, well, actually, you've got cousins out there that you're fighting with, you know. So if you don't know that, well, I'm telling you, you know, you've got family. It's this tournament is about family. It's about bringing us together as the people of Taranaki, you know. and representing each of our tribes and our hapu. So just remember that. No fighting, just play football, enjoy yourself. Yeah, there's a good play going on now. That's a good tackle coming over, put him down. Yep.
And that's tackle 2. Ngāti Ruanui hot on Ngāti Maru's line. Oh, geez, and it's a big shot between the two big boys there.
Yeah.
Tackle 3. Ngāti Ruanui hot on the opposition's 22. As we see the ball getting shifted out wide. And he's come back straight through the middle. Oh, it looks like there's a strip ball there. Looks like it's going to be play the ball. No. Waiting for the confirmation there, Howie. And that looks like it is a knock on. We're going to be doing a restart of the game here. Ngāti Maru, just outside the 10. There was a lot of pressure from Ngāti Ruanui. Oh no, we've actually got a change of position here. And that's a forward pass.
They were lucky.
No, yeah.
That was a good run, really hard running.
And they
went
came
through the line, they would have scored, but
And that came from the sideline official there. So they pushed that ball just a little bit forward, and that's a great reprieve for Ngāti Maru there. Howie, I know that they were piling a lot of pressure there.
Yeah, that's right.
And,
well, really got to work your way out of here now. It's just one guy taking the ball out, quick play the ball. I know it's wet, and sometimes the ball gets really, really slippery, so to be careful around that. But is to try to get some more speed into their play the balls, so they can get further down the ground.
Ngāti Maru are working out of there, 10 metres, and is met with great defence from the Ngāti Ruanui side.
Yep.
Tackle 1.
Keep coming. So it's a good run. Oh.
It's a solid shot there, Howie.
Yeah, I heard it from here. You were giving it a minute. What? With your boy. Oh, here comes wrapping around. Well, that was a kick that went wrong.
There was a charge down there, and the ball has been turned over. Ngāti Ruanui are hot now in their 22.
Yeah, they're back on the attack. Come over here, boy. Yeah. Oh, good run there. Plenty of power in it. 2 boys on them, and they still went forward. Playing the ball wide. Oh, looks like a try's coming in there in the corner. Beautiful try. Actually, that was really good football. They moved the ball from one side of the field to the other, got it to the winger, and I'll give you his number at the moment. He's got the ball in his hand. Have you got that? The number 3 scores the try. That was good football, And I tell you what, this weather is getting worse and worse. The wind's picked up. The splattering of rain there, as opposed to pouring down, which is probably okay. But really, really tough conditions for both teams to be playing. And I guess every team that's going to be playing. Yeah. I tell you what, these tournaments are really awesome. I think it's special, and we should nurse it, look after them, get them supported all the time. It's just bringing us all together. That's a beautiful kick too. Beautiful kick from the sideline, 10-meter line, and they got over the poles, no worries.
Just 14-6.
14-6 the score now.
Yeah, and that was a kick from Brett Ashton Landers. He's kicking quite superbly today in these treacherous conditions, Howie.
That's right. There's a really strong wind out there, and you know, it's hard enough to the game's hard enough to play without worrying about the weather. But you know, this is a winter game. This is a winter game, so you got to learn to play. All right, ball's gone short, but it's okay. All right, well, good tackle there in the middle of the field. Let's see if they keep coming or go back. They're going back. With a big runner coming on the inside. Yeah, good run. Two to meet him. He's lost the ball. There's slippery conditions now. Don't kick it away.
That's right, Howie. I think it's whoever's going to be holding on to the ball is going to be winning the game, because it's going to be a tight battle up in the middle, especially with the conditions panning out like this.
You did right, mate. You did right. It's tough conditions to play. So, you know, everybody's got to get the ball, got to hold it tightly and be smart about when they pass or try to offload. I think there was trying to be an offload in that tackle. And
it looks like
it's a knock on,
no,
mate.
He's offside now.
Oh, really good.
So it looks like a little bit of a bobble in the scrum there. But the refs seen that the Ngāti Ruanui side were offside. So this will give Ngāti Maru some time with the ball inside the Ngāti Ruanui.
Well, I tell you what, that runner's going real good. He's hitting the ball up really hard. The number 8. Oh, no, what's it? Sorry, the number 20, was it? Yeah. Here they go. Ooh, well, yeah, that was.
Right
in this one.
Palm off.
Yeah.
Ngāti Maru
still coming.
Scorching down the sideline. Is he going to stay in play? He is.
Yes, well done.
Best tackle too.
Now they got to get it wide.
Hunting on the Ngāti Ruanui side. Oh, and that's a late tackle. And the game is held. It's a late tackle, and that was off the play. That could be very, very dangerous, especially when the man's not looking. They are just giving away the penalties.
I didn't like that either when I was playing. So, you know, because you rattle your bones, you know, because you're not looking.
Yeah, especially when you can't see it coming. You know, it's dangerous for both parties. And he's lucky that he didn't get 10 in the bin there.
Tap and go.
And so Ngāti Maru inside the 10 metres. Can they get some points? See, bring the ball go. Oh, and it just.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The ball's slippery as.
Yeah, and so they needed to hold on to that.
They did,
and that is a giveaway. Jeez, and that was very, very tight on the.
That number 10 is going really, really well. Oh, another penalty. Oh, they're helping them get down the field. All they got to do to finish it off is to kick it down the other end.
Yeah, I just wanted to get some
Good kick out on the halfway, basically. Yep. Good kick. There's strong wind down there.
Very strong wind there.
Yeah.
Howie.
Hard work for Maru to get back.
And we got 15 minutes left of the game. It's Ngāti Ruanui pressing forward.
Big boy going.
Maru half and tackle one.
What's his name? 24. Oh, Ngāti Maru got the ball. So the player taking the ball up. Quite offload now. Now Ngāti Maru working their way to the halfway. Yeah, 10 metres in. Here we go. Yeah, good run. Good run, that player. Sorry, I'm not so good with the numbers at the moment. Oh, there was an intercept there. Oh, Ngāti Maru got the ball back. He's throwing the ball around everywhere, these boys.
Well, it's quite hard to see who's which because they both got black jerseys on.
Yes, it is. It's
Oh,
really
and there
difficult.
we go, just giving away a penalty. Ngāti Maru. Going to be marching down the field. Get some good territory.
Mm.
And that's going to be the factor of the game is you win the territory battle, I think, Howie. I think you're going to come out on top.
Well,
Especially with
that's,
the conditions.
like I was saying in the first half, you know, Maru are really up against this wind now and the rain. It's not dousing down, but it's just hard.
It's greasy.
Yeah, man.
All the big boys taking a shot right inside the Ngāti Ruanui 30.
I love it. I love these big boys taking the ball on and the tackling.
And tackle 3.
I should love how to tackle. Love it. Come on, boys. Let it go. Well, they're working hard to get it down there, man. I would just put the ball.
Very, very hard.
Yeah, it's going to be hard. What do you reckon? Grab a kick behind the line? No good putting it in the air.
That's right. I think even if they were to put it through their hands on tackle 5, they go down the short side. The grubber is in.
There it is. He's listening to me, see?
Taken by the fullback of Ngāti Ruanui, and he takes it outside the 10. And that's great. Great settling there. They
got through a set. They got through a set, man. That was good. Considering just how bad the weather is.
Ngāti Ruanui settling up there just outside the.
Maru are getting into it.
Oh, they are, and that's a great settle there.
Oh,
Tackle 3.
The ball stuck in the jersey. Yeah. Well done, mate. There you go. There you go. He's a smart guy.
It's a lot of pasture out the back there.
Yeah,
who's going to win the ball?
Just fall on it, bro. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Ngāti Maru are going to have to work it out of their own half.
Like we said, you know, like in the first half, the wind is the dominant feature in this game, and they used it really, really well.
And met with solid defence from the Ngāti Ruanui.
Okay, here. Yeah.
Sorry, Ngāti Ruanui forward.
Yeah, they got to work their way out now. Nothing forward, just got to keeping on carrying the ball. Oh, I think he got winded. That number 25 is quite a big lad, and I think he got him in the ribs. You know, that's when your voice goes.
Yep, I can understand that.
Have you had one of those?
No, I was.
Were you a winger or something?
No. I was a centre. I was actually dishing them out.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So.
Oh, that's right. You still doing your weights, are you?
No, the weight's doing me now, and that's around my waist.
Yeah, it happens, mate. It's called old age. It's good age.
It's good to be in the commentary box here with Howie Tamati,
a
legend of Māori Rugby League. Absolute legend.
Thank you. Feeling my halo starting to come out.
As we restart the game, back to Ngāti Maru.
So you go kick it in the air, but the wind.
Yeah.
If you're going to kick on a day like today, you got to kick it low. You know, it's not going to get you.
And the big boy.
Oh yeah.
Let's get to the ball. Inside the Ngāti Maru half.
Man, still down too.
They are hot on the attack. The tackle count has restarted. Oh, and he's offside. Yep. And that's a penalty. They weren't back onside. So,
you see, there was a bit of a panic play, though. It was good what he was doing, but the key thing is that hold the ball, because you still got plenty to do, you know, like trying to offload in a position where there's 3 or 4 guys around you that are trying to get you the ball or get you on the ground. So just hold it.
That's exactly right, Howie. Now, Ngāti Ruanui are now hot on attack inside the Ngāti Maru 10. the scrum, and look at the back line. They look like they're ready to do an attack. I think if you can slide from the 5 metre, you could probably slide all the way into the in goal line there, Howie.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Nice. They've done that. Oh,
a little bit of a dummy, a little show. Oh, hot stepper.
That's a really.
And is he going for the line? It's got to be short. He's just short of the line.
But that was good football with that too.
Tackle one. Ngāti Ruanui, hot on attack. Oh, and yes, it is. It is a little bit of a dribble there, knock on. And this is going to be one of the.
That's a shame, really, because they're putting the ball
place
across the line like that in this weather was amazing. They did it all right, and then sort of got into the fight. Not so much fighting. I shouldn't say that, but they started all getting around, and then the ball got lost. So.
Just the confirmation of the score, please.
Considering it's with us, it's quite a good game to watch. The boys are doing their best to, play well in really bad conditions. Big boy running. That's all they got to do is just work their way out. It's good defence though. I don't think he needed that elbow in the face. Yeah. Oh, went for the big hit.
Now we got 7 minutes to go in the match. Score still 14 points to 6. Ngāti Ruanui now really starting to get into their work as they hold Ngāti Maru deep in their half. Oh, and that's a giveaway there with the head high.
Didn't need to do that actually. I got to have a word with them and say, just a head high tackle on your cousin.
Well, that was late in the tackle count there, Howie, and they ended up just giving away
a
penalty that will give Ngāti Maru a chance, hopefully, to get outside or get into the Ngāti Ruanui's half.
What I'm seeing now is that they're looking to try and move that ball out wide. It's like a big black wall there coming onto the team. That big boy can play. Who's at number 10? What's his name? He's a bit rough. Oh. I've just been told some of the jerseys have been changed. So these. Oh, okay. So number 10 is Damien Ngātai. He's playing well. And he stopped the ball on the line. They were going to spread the ball wide, and once again, maybe took his eye off the ball. If you're standing in there in that back line, you've got to watch the ball. Don't worry about everything else. Especially in this weather. Here they go. Oh, ball on it. Oh, bit of desperation there. They keep the ball, mate. Just go down. Well done. Good run back. Yeah. I'm sorry I can't give you the names. A lot of the jerseys have been swapped, I suppose, with a wet jersey. So get the play. Just call the players in terms of what they do. Hold the ball, mate. That's a good run. Working their way up the field, which is good. Here comes a big boy. Oh, good tackle. He's still on his feet, though. Geez, he's hard to get down. There we go. Oh, a bit of a gap there. They still got the ball, though. There's a bit of panic going on there, eh? Rather, they just got to keep the cool head. Talking to each other all the time, especially in these conditions. Yeah, that's probably what, they're all new to each other, so they don't probably know the names maybe of all the boys that they're playing with.
That's exactly right, Howie.
Because, the higher echelon, I suppose one could say that everybody's talking. Everybody's talking. So, where are you? What are you doing? Come with me. You know. So the talk is really, really important. That's a good run. Good tackles though. They put him to the ground.
Right, Ngāti Maru working it out of there, trying to work it out of their half.
Nice little pass. Got good 10 metres in that run.
4 minutes to go in this great match between Ngāti Maru and Ngāti Ruanui.
Oh, he's on the way. Just run, mate.
Oh, he's just tackled short.
Yeah, that's good. He's not out though. That's good. Come on. What's going on? Sort of play the ball too slow. But that's all right. Might have got a knock. Anyway, here they go. Right on the line. Oh, there's that wet ball again. I have to tell you, you know, these boys can play football. There's nothing wrong with their football, but the issue is the weather, really. The ball's so greasy, you know. Who knows? Is it a new ball or is it an old ball? You know, it could be something like that, making it hard to go. Yeah,
and I do respect the players out there finding it difficult to hold on to the pill. And, you know, this could be a feature that we will probably see throughout the day as the rain tumbles down here at Rahutu Park. And Ngāti Ruanui are looking to work it out of their own half. And with minutes to go, oh, that's a great thing. Mate. It's a smart move.
Look at that. They kicked the ball. It's going down almost to the in-goal area. So this guy's got to pick that ball. Yeah. We're just looking at, you know, some of the boys are shredded out there. They've done a lot of work, big guys and everything. So, but that's good. Now we're going to work their way out on the field. Oh, a bit of a side step there.
There's a few hands on hips there. Oh, but that's a reprieve there for Ngāti Maru.
I think the tackle was high.
Yep, it is. Yeah. It was a tackle, and that was a high tackle at that. And it's a reprieve for Ngāti Maru. And the referee is going to be talking to the captain. That's a couple of infringements from that same player. So this could very much well be looking. It could be a send-off. No, it looks like it was just a warning to begin with. So this might very well be just that last warning. Yeah, I think so. Because he has been involved. I mean, he gets stuck in, but you know, you don't have to get too stroppy. Here we go. He's got to kick it low. That'll do. Got 10 meters there. Or maybe 5. Never mind. See, they're starting to talk now. Just getting some confirmation of the Masters game in the on field 3. Howie, they've just asked where the man is, and I said to them that there's a spare pair of boots in my bag that they will fit you, Howie, size 10. Sorry, I didn't bring my shorts. No way. Ngāti Maru, good tackle, good tackle. Ngāti Maru looking to work it out of their half. This has been Is that same guy? Is it number 17? He's looks like he's just come back onto the field.
Oh, yep.
Looks like that's tackle 4. Some very, very hard meters.
I tell you what, it's awesome to see the grandstand and the people who have come along to watch the games, you know. Awesome. That's it.
And that's game over. It is game over. And the score, Ngāti Maru 6, Ngāti Ruanui 14. Thank you, Howie, for your commentary today.
Oh, no, that's no worries. Shall I go now? I want to go watch it. No worries. I'll come back up after. Is that all right?